The Huawei Mate 80 series is creating a lot of buzz, and the latest leaks suggest the top-end models will introduce a completely customized 20 GB RAM. If this turns out to be true, it will mark the first time a Huawei phone uses such a high-end memory solution. This move shows Huawei's focus on pushing the limits of performance for its flagship devices. Recent leaks about the Huawei Mate X8 hinted that it could be the world's first foldable smartphone to feature 20 GB RAM. Now, additional information has surfaced, giving more clarity on the matter. According to reliable tipster digital chat station, the upcoming Huawei flagship, likely the Mate 80, will include a custom 20 GB RAM module made in China. In addition to this, there will reportedly be a 24 GB RAM version, though this variant may not be available to the general public. It could be aimed at enterprise customers or offered in limited quantities. This shows Huawei's strategy of catering to power users and specialized markets while testing new hardware technologies on a smaller scale. The 20 GB and 24 GB RAM options for the Mate 80 series will be paired with the flagship Kirin 9035G chipset. This combination is expected to deliver a significant boost in both speed and efficiency. With more RAM, the device will handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications much more smoothly. The goal is to provide users with a flagship experience that rivals even the top models from competitors. However, Huawei is still behind in the race for advanced chip technology. Despite making progress in the semiconductor field, the company faces challenges due to U.S. export controls. High-end phones from other brands now use 7M or 3M chipsets, which offer unmatched performance and efficiency. Huawei is working to catch up, but software and hardware optimization is playing a key role in bridging this gap. To address these challenges, Huawei introduced its self-developed operating system, HarmonyOS Next. The company believes that a strong software platform can compensate for the hardware limitations to some extent. HarmonyOS Next aims to optimize performance, improve efficiency, and deliver smoother experiences even on devices that do not yet have the most advanced chips. Still, software alone cannot fully match the performance of cutting-edge chipsets. Huawei is therefore looking to enhance the hardware side as well. The addition of larger RAM modules is part of this strategy. By increasing memory capacity, Huawei can ensure that devices remain responsive, even under heavy workloads, and support more advanced features. The move to include 20 GB RAM and even 24 GB in select cases reflects Huawei's attempt to maintain competitiveness in the premium smartphone segment. While most flagship phones currently offer RAM between 8 GB and 16 GB, Huawei is pushing boundaries by offering a solution that could redefine expectations for memory in mobile devices. It is not only about raw memory size. Pairing this RAM with the Kirin 935G chipset means the Mate 80 series will benefit from optimized memory management and high-speed data access. This could lead to faster app launches, better gaming experiences, and smoother multitasking overall. Huawei fans and tech enthusiasts will likely pay close attention to real-world performance once the devices are officially revealed. There are also implications for enterprise users. A 24 GB RAM model could provide specialized tools for business and professional applications, including advanced multitasking, high-resolution media editing, and data-intensive tasks. By offering such options, Huawei is exploring niche markets while testing the limits of its hardware and software synergy. RAM expansion is only one part of Huawei's broader strategy. The company continues to invest in chipset development, camera technology, and overall device efficiency. By introducing high RAM capacities now, Huawei can complement its software innovations and deliver devices capable of handling demanding future applications. The Huawei Mate 80 series will also show how well the company can balance hardware limitations with software enhancements. With HarmonyOS Next, Huawei aims to ensure that devices are not just fast, but also efficient and reliable over time. This approach will be critical in markets where competitors already have an edge in chip technology. Overall, the introduction of 20 GB RAM in the Mate 80 series is a bold step. It signals Huawei's commitment to innovation and willingness to experiment with hardware solutions that are uncommon in the smartphone market. Whether this strategy pays off will depend on user reception and real-world performance, but it certainly demonstrates Huawei's intent to push forward despite challenges. As the launch of the Mate 80 series approaches, excitement continues to build. Fans and tech enthusiasts are eager to see how this new RAM solution, combined with the Kirin 9035G chipset and HarmonyOS Next, performs in everyday use. If successful, it could redefine expectations for flagship devices and show that Huawei remains a strong contender in the high-end smartphone space. The next few months will reveal whether Huawei's gamble on memory expansion can compete with other leading smartphones. Regardless, the Mate 80 series is already generating attention for taking a bold step toward more powerful, capable, and innovative mobile devices. With this combination of software and hardware improvements, Huawei is clearly signaling that it is not slowing down. The Mate 80 could set a new benchmark for performance in the industry, especially for users who demand more from their devices.